So Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. That's a bunch of stuff that we don't need to type because I have a short code for you and it's way quicker. For our short code, we're going to type in 3701778 and then come down and hit next. Are you looking for free movies and TV shows, for free sports, free live TV on your Amazon Fire TV Stick on apps you can't find in the App Store? Follow along and I'll show you how. First thing we need to do, come to the magnifying glass, find, pull down, and in search we'll click and it brings up a keyboard. This keyboard we're going to type in DOWN and hopefully Downloader here has showed up. Downloader, one word, select it. Downloader is this orange icon. We're going to select it, we're going to get it and install it on our device. So just click to download, it throws it in the queue and downloads it to your device. We're going to be able to get movies, TV shows, live TV, sports. If you're looking to watch the World Cup, follow along. Once the app's installed, hit the home button on your remote. We need to head all the way down to the settings icon. At the very end, pull down. And here I have My Fire TV listed here. Yours may be down here and it may say My Device. It's the same option. So select My Fire TV. My Device has developer options here listed. If yours doesn't, don't worry. Select About. And here it says Fire TV Stick. Yours may say 4K or something different or light. Select about 7 to 10 times. And at the bottom, no need, you're now a developer, or congratulations, you're now a developer. If you have the Fire Stick select, this will not work. Back out, developer options is now here listed. Now if developer options didn't show up on your device, unplug it for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, go back into the settings option there, and it should be there ready for you to use. Select developer options. Here we turn on ADB debugging. And then highlight install unknown apps, select it, and look for downloader and turn that on. This isn't a jailbreak. This is what people call the jailbreak. All this is enabling downloader to be able to sideload apps that aren't from the App Store. Now, if you don't have this option here, and you just have an on and off with install unknown apps there, same thing. This just, if it's here, it does everything that's on your stick. The other one, you can turn on and off individual apps. Let's go to the home screen, find downloader, head all the way over to the 3 squares plus sign, select that. Now the last application we've downloaded ends up at the bottom of this list. So here we have downloader. We can actually use the 3-line button on the remote, and it comes with a little sub menu. We got move to the front, more info, and offload. So if we actually highlight move to the front and select it, it puts it up into this top bar here, which is our shortcuts menu on our home screen. So now we have downloader up front and center. This is going to be your new app store. Select it. Yes, allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on your device. So Downloader works just like a web browser. We can enter any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. That's a bunch of stuff that we don't need to type because I have a short code for you and it's way quicker. So Downloader, the app just works. Our little red circle here acts as a little cursor, and our remote we have right, left, down, up, and the center button for select. So bring it up to here, select it, and Downloader will bring up a keyboard. For our short code, we're going to type in 3701778. 7, 8. And then come down and hit next. Now there is a short 5-second redirect while we're waiting. Please share this with a friend. I know there's someone that I'm sure you know would love to get this on their device. Once the page has loaded, we use our 3-line button on our remote. And here we add it to the favorites. And now whenever you want to bring up the web page, we hit save. So whenever you want to bring up the web page, you don't have to remember the URL or the short code. You actually just click the 3-line button, hit favorites, pick your bookmarked favorite, and boom, it'll load the page instantly. No redirects, no worries. On this page, we have some tutorials. Check them out. If you have questions, follow along. The apps, which are updated constantly for you, there is a ton of them. So what I'm showing you is just a little tutorial to teach you how to fish on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's head down. Here we have the apps. If you want to know how to install that, wait to the end. You install it the same way here, but at the end of this video, I'll have a little tutorial on how to use it. If you're looking for sports, movies, TV shows, live TV, here we can click on AK. Short little application that downloads. Down on the bottom right, it's going to say install. So highlight install, click. Once the app's installed, just select done. And then here it gives us the option to delete the installation file. So delete, yes, confirm the delete. So delete again. Here you can just exit out of here. It's back, folks. New version, updated, works excellent. Now here, a little different, a download option. Pull down a little bit. Has a little countdown. Once that's all done, here it gives us the option here. Hit the little white arrow for the download. Pull down a bit. And then click on the white arrow. And the download will start. Down on the bottom right, highlight install. And then just hit done. And again, delete the installation file, confirm the delete. We can back out once, possibly twice. And then remove box, latest version for that. And again, just pull down a little bit. Just bring this up a little bit. The countdown's finished. And just highlight the little white download arrow. Down on the bottom right, highlight install, select that. And once it's installed, we'll hit done. Delete the installation file. Confirm the delete. Push back twice. And here, if you're looking for multiple languages, you can check that guy out. More sports, more movies, more TV shows, more live TV. The list just goes on and on. Let's find these applications. We can hit the home button. And we head all the way down to the 3 squares plus sign. For our apps and games section. And we can highlight the apps, do the move to the front, move to the front, and move to the front. And when we're back on our home screen, we have our apps front and center for your viewing enjoyment. My friends, appreciate you watching this video. I know some of them may be a little mundane, maybe a little repetitive. 95% of my viewers are brand new, have never seen any of my videos. So I thank you 5% for continuing to watch these videos and helping out. Please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share this with one of your friends because I know someone would love this on their device. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace. And here we can open up Kodi. We'll hit continue. Allow to access photos, media, files on our device. Okay. Here we have Kodi. Come up, hit the settings icon. Hit system, add-ons, slide over, come down to unknown sources, turn that on and say yes. Back out, we're going to go to file manager, add a source, highlight the field, and we get a keyboard. And in this keyboard, we're going to type in a URL. HTTP. We need a colon. Right now we have a semicolon, so we have to come down here to the shift and we get a colon, so colon // and here's a new digs. And then once you have it all written in, just head over and click OK. If you get some kind of connection error after this, that means you didn't type it in properly. Here there's a name for it, so remember that and then click OK. We'll back out, hit add-ons, come down to zip, look for the file that it was named. So digs and the zip. Wait a few minutes. There, it's installed. Now from the repository, select dig. And here we'll go down to program adds. We have Chef Wizard. It used to say Chef Omega. It doesn't say Omega anymore. It no longer doesn't auto install. We have to manually do this. So we can click on it, install. Wait for a little bit. There is a counter meter here for the percentage that has been installed. So it's at 0, then it'll go to 33, and then it's done. So it says it's installed. So we just select it one more time, and down here now it says open. So we can click open. Now, Cody gives us some options here. So use the build. And we can try the first one. Say continue. And here, it's getting everything good to go. I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for following along. I hope these tutorials help out you greatly. I know some of these videos may seem repetitive. They are. 95% of my viewers are brand new, have never seen a video. So if you've seen this one multiple times, I really thank you. I'm updating the store constantly. There's forever changes going on with the Amazon Fire TV sticks. We're staying on top for you, okay? This old Cody setup, yes, I know, it's a little mundane. It's a little pain in the ass to go around. But trust me, it's the one thing that's staying. Now that it's done all that, it will ask you to force close so we can say, okay. So remember, I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick tips, tricks, and how-tos. Please follow along. This is just a demo for you guys to understand how to do this yourself. All right. Thank you. Take care. Peace. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV stick tips, tricks, and how-tos.